Staś.
And my name's John. And today, what are we making, Staś?
Today we're making apple cake.
Apple cake. Actually, it's a Rick Steen recipe, and it's a German apple cake. I think you say it. Apfelkuchen. Next, we're going to have a look at the ingredients.
Yeah. Salt. Scales. Eggs. Flour. Custard and sugar. And some baking powder. And milk and butter.
Now, the flour, Staś, is it plain flour or self-raising flour? It's actually plain flour, and the reason we use the baking powder is because in Poland you generally buy plain flour and then add baking powder. But I think if you were in the UK, you'd use self-raising flour instead. Okay.
So now we're gonna add some butter.
How much, Stasiu?
For
125 grams.
120 grams.
And how much sugar?
140 grams.
140 grams of caster sugar. Okay, so we're going to measure that out now and start mixing in our posh food.
So now we're gonna mix everything in this mixer. Okay. Okay.
We're going to mix it until it's white and creamy, Stasiu.
So now we're gonna add the eggs in here, and we already preheat the pan.
Oven.
Oven.
Okay, to 170 degrees centigrade, yes? Okay, good. Let's add the eggs then. Pour the eggs
Okay,
into the
but
bowl.
that's gonna be disgusting. I'm really sorry, Daddy. What I just did, it was.
Stasiu, it's okay. Quickly put this in the sink.
So we put the egg in, and I just poured the flour in.
Okay.
And now it's all done.
Do we have to put some baking powder in?
Yeah.
How much baking powder?
I don't know.
Two teaspoons. Can you get a teaspoon out the drawer? That'll do, yes. Okay, so we're going to put 2 teaspoons in, and then we're going to mix it again. We've done the cake mix. As you can see, Stash's face has been licking the mixing bowl. Yes, and now we've put it into the cake tin, which was preheated, and it's very hot because I've just burnt myself. And now we're going to put the apples in a nice shape, pattern around the cake tin. Remember not to touch it. Okay, we'll come back in a second when it's finished.
Welcome back. So now we've decorated all of this. It looks beautiful.
And your face looks really dirty, doesn't it? So we're going to put it in the
Why
oven. We're going to put it in the oven on 170 degrees for about, how long, Stasiu?
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
So now we got the whole cake ready for this.
Staś, how does the cake look?
It looks fat and heavy.
Fat?
What?
It looks fat.
Yeah.
It's quite thick, isn't it?
And what I'm just gonna go.
All the sweet green icing